Actually, I heard about you guys through a friend that came here and had great experiences. And so I was new to the area of Kansas City and I was looking for a chiropractic office, and you were recommended. So I came in, I gave it a try, and I've been here ever since. I was actually having pretty intense pain in my tailbone area, going out and towards my hips. I would say the pain had been there for a good 6 months. I'm a server in the service industry, and so it's a little hard on my body, a lot of wear and tear. It was making it really hard to do my job, where I was seeking chiropractic care to kind of figure those issues out. I would say I was dealing with those issues around 6 months. Last 6 months it had gotten, I would say, gradually worse each month, to the point where it was becoming unbearable to kind of like lay down, do just everyday things around the house, laundry, dishes, making it aware where, okay, this is, affecting my everyday, day-to-day life. I need to do something about it. Since starting treatment, I would say everything has gotten 100% better. It took a few months, obviously, but even after the first couple treatments, I was noticing significant relief. I've been sleeping better. Everyday, day-to-day activities have gotten almost completely pain-free, which is a huge win, I feel like. Working, I'm not as fatigued after my 4 or 5 day work days, where before I would go 1 or 2 shifts and I was in a lot of pain. Now I'm kind of completing my work week and I'm not noticing really minimal to any pain. Some things I really enjoyed about Softwaves was the treatment itself. I felt like right after I noticed immediate kind of relief in those areas that were extremely tender. The treatment itself is very minimal. It feels like a deep tissue massage, which in some cases is very relaxing. So that was a major kind of stepping stone in my turn to getting better. I would say the Softwave treatment is the reason I am kind of as good as I am today. That combined with the chiropractic care was like the recipe for bliss. I would recommend your clinic to others, specifically you, Dr. Dorman. I've been a very palliative person into my care experiences. You listen to me every time I come into the office. I can come in and have a different thing going on, and it seems like we talk about it, we pinpoint the area, and then we create a new plan for every diagnosis that's going on with my body, because not all bodies are the same, and not every time I come in I'm dealing with the same thing. So I just appreciate how open you've been to everything that I've been dealing with, but also you've taken the time to create a plan and work with me on prices, and not only just like my care in general. So it's very a humanistic experience rather than going through a bunch of patients a day. So it's a very unique, tailored experience here. So I appreciate it.